How does artificial intelligence work? Artificial intelligence. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already part of our daily lives. From smart assistants in our phones to movie recommendations on streaming platforms. But how does it actually work? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to learn, make decisions, and solve problems similar to humans. It usually works based on algorithms and data. The foundation of modern AI is machine learning, where algorithms improve by analyzing large amounts of data and finding patterns. For example, if you're teaching AI to recognize a cat in a photo, you show it thousands of cat pictures. The AI learns what they have in common shape, eyes, fur, and then can identify whether a new image contains a cat. Then there's deep learning, which uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks have layers that process information step by step until they reach a conclusion. Thanks to this, AI today can translate languages, write texts, create music, and even generate images. But AI isn't magic. It's complex math, statistics, and programming. The more data we give it, the smarter it becomes. But it's also important to use it responsibly. Because artificial intelligence isn't just a future technology. It's a tool that's already changing the world. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.